a brass disc and a carbon disc of the same radius are assembled alternatively to make a cylindrical conductor, the resistance of the cylinder is independent of the temperature. The ratio of the thickness of the brass disc to the carbon disc is, okay, we have to find out the ratio of the thickness. Let us say we have the brass disc over here of thickness, let us say T1, and to this I have connected a carbon disc. To the same disc I have connected a carbon disc of thickness T2. Now the total resistance of this conductor, first of all let me find out the individual resistance. For a carbon disc it will be equal to R1 will be equal to R0 of the carbon, okay, R1 for T, okay, will be equal to R0 for the carbon, or R1 or RC, okay, let us say RC for the carbon is equal to R0 C plus over here, or it will be equal to 1 plus alpha for C delta theta, okay, and R for brass will be equal to it will be equal to R0 for brass 1 plus alpha brass delta theta, okay, it will be equal to alpha delta theta, okay. So now over here when I add both of them, so the total resistance will be equal to RC for the RC at the certain temperature plus RB at a certain temperature. When I add both of them, it will be equal to R0 C plus R0 B plus over here it will be equal to R0 C alpha C delta theta plus R0 B alpha B delta theta, okay. Now it is given that it is independent of the temperature. If it is independent of the temperature, I can clearly say that this part should be equal to 0, okay, because only if this part becomes equal to 0, then only I can say even if the delta theta becomes delta theta changes over here, it will still be equal to 0, okay. So now I can say that R0 C alpha C delta theta, or I will eliminate the delta theta over here, it is anyway going to get cancelled out, is equal to R0 B alpha B, okay, delta theta will get cancelled out, okay. But if you see the final answer, we want the ratio of the thickness, and we want the ratio of the thickness, okay, the thickness of the brass to that of carbon, okay, we want the thickness of brass to that of carbon, okay, and we don't want in terms of the resistance, okay, we want it in terms of the resistivity, okay. Now over here I can say that R0 for the carbon will be equal to resistivity of the carbon, length of the carbon, that is equal to Tc divided by A. Area for both of them remains same, is equal to A alpha C is equal to over here rho C Tb divided by A alpha B. So we want the ratio of brass to carbon, okay, we want the ratio of brass to carbon. So Tb by Tc, area will get cancelled out, it will be equal to rho C alpha C divided by rho B, okay, this is B, okay, not C, okay, this is equal to rho B alpha B, okay, in the modulus, okay, we do not know which value is greater or which value is smaller, so it should be equal to alpha C rho C divided by alpha B rho B, which is equal to, in this question it will be equal to option number A.